Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna work on the Supra, but we're gonna have a little more fun. We got some nice cars out here today. Huh? GTI. I'm not driving two cars. We got my boy Pat's GT350. We got my boy Ariel's big turbo EcoBoost. We got Javi's RT. That's his ride right there. Sexy. So what are we doing today? We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna give you two things. So what are we doing today? Supra's getting some love. About damn time. No, actually this car's actually pretty low. I don't know, it's gonna kind of suck. We'll see. But we're going with some H&Rs. I think these are like 1.25 inches, like an inch in the front, like 1.25 inches in the back. So H&Rs, which I run H&Rs on the GTI, and we're doing exhaust. Here's the exhaust. This is the exhaust I got from my boy Rob. We've done it on the black car, but that car's gone. So we're gonna have some fun. See how this thing sounds. No downpipe yet, because I don't want to put downpipe until we tune it. So we're gonna get started because Javi did springs on Rob's Supra, so it shouldn't be. Hopefully he remembers how to do it on this car, because I don't know where to even start on this car. So it's all right. We'll get it figured out. It's what we do. So let's get to work. All right, guys. So I didn't film too much of the spring install because, damn, my hair's all jacked up. Anyways, I don't care. Well, because not really much to film. It's actually not a terribly hard car to do springs on. How would you say, Javi?
Easy.
Easy, right? Yeah. The front's super easy and the rears are a little harder, but not that bad. So compared to, say, a Camaro, it's easier than a Camaro, but Camaro's not that hard. Mustangs are actually harder to do than Camaros. So now we get to work on the good part. We're gonna do the exhaust now. So we're gonna start this. We're gonna start working on the removing the stock exhaust. Like I said, no downpipe right now, but I would have liked to doing it all at the same time, but I just don't feel like check engine lights. So let's go ahead and get started, and we'll do. Did you just call? What did you say about my car?
Give me a 13.
Yeah, you can say nothing now.
You said it was gay.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Get the stock exhaust out, and then we'll come back.
Already transferring valve, not valves, valve. One only. Two sides, one valve. Big six. Shit.
Stand on that end.
The worst person to stand.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
Shit.
Just put your good leg on it.
Yeah, I don't know how that gonna work.
I just need to put
My good leg means I'm gonna eat shit. One, two, three. Oh shit.
Don't bust your ass out.
That's Pat's house. Somebody's at your house, Pat.
Jack.
EP does. That's all you need, yo.
Yep, it's 3.
Pretty neat. It's pretty cool tips though for exhaust for stock. I like how they're not that rounded, ugly ass tip.
Exactly the same. I thought one had an O on it. I thought the one's left, the one's right. Oh, they're both L's. So, but
well, there's 3 of them. No?
Yeah, this one's different. This one's the one that goes in.
P and 2 L's.
Yeah.
There's no R, so.
Stock exhaust is off. Oh, we need to get this one.
This is the front one.
Gotta get this.
That clamp?
Yeah.
But that clamp's welded.
Oh, Holly.
That other exhaust doesn't have its own clamp?
Nope. That's like the
Jesus
weld.
Christ. Pat's done.
Can I get an honorable mention?
Pat. It's got the most aggressive splitter on known to man, but it's only allowed to go. This car's only allowed to go past 88 miles an hour. It's like Back to the Future car.
Yep, it's the Back to the Future car.
It's a good looking splitter, but it's a pain in the ass. Is it a pain in the ass, Pat?
It's a pain in the ass.
All right, guys. Stock exhaust off the car. It's not that hard. The hardest part of the whole thing is right here at the clamp. You just open it up a little bit right there at the clamp and hit it there with a rubber hammer. Javi didn't have one, so we had to improvise, but it's okay. We still got it out. So get it out, and it's time for new exhaust. So I'm excited to see how it's gonna sound like, even though I think I know what it's gonna sound like, but still, you know, it's gonna sound like a Supra. So anyways, let's get it on. We got everything laid out already, and the muffler's right over there. So let's get going.
Oh, that's
You on him?
That's how we do. We use the transjack for the muffler,
Did it go up?
for the wing. Makes it all easier.
Okay, I'm on the stars.
Go ahead, put yours on, and then I'll fuck with mine.
Look at that, nice. What's that out there?
Yeah.
Shelby.
Get these in. What the fuck, dude? How do you fucking get them in there? Oh, this sucks.
This is Rob buying fancy shit.
This is Rob buying fancy shit. Bro, seriously.
Oh shit. It's about to rain.
In Florida?
The Shelby with the R888R. You can leave it here. Take that. Take the
I
minivan.
need the extension. And I'll just thread them like from down here.
For what? He needs to put that hanger up first.
Oh really? That's not gonna come out that easy.
I got it. No,
You got it.
okay, you got it. All right, now put that hanger up there. You just gotta remember how we did with Ralph, because this part was a pain in the ass.
Oh, I fucking believe it.
So, hanger up first.
That one's gotta be up, and yeah, because then what we do is we lift it and then we shove it that way. Then I have clearance on this side.
Oh, you gave me the fucking shitty.
Hanger up first. Bolt it, then you hang that side, then this side can be bolted.
Can I go ahead and
With a
tighten the hanger? Mark?
Yeah, tighten it up. All right, guys, car is done. She look good. She low though. She low. I ain't gonna hate it though. Let's see how she sounds though. Look, we still got it up on block, so you just get it out. So, we're gonna move it forward, but we gotta see how it sounds. Is the key in it, Pat?
I don't
No,
know.
the key's not in it.
Oh, no.
Here.
All right, you guys tell me when.
All right, let's see how it sounds.
Yeah.
That's Ghost Star right there. All right, Pat, put it in sport mode. Just hit the sport mode button. I think that's about. Let's see. I think it.
Show me how to work this fancy thing.
Hey, that's it. That's sport mode. All right, let's go forward with it. Oh, you know how to do it? Put parking brake off?
Yep.
All right, hit the little side button on the shifter and push back.
What's that? Put over there. That's right.
Woo, she's low. This bitch is low. don't hit the sport button again, Pat. I hear it actuating. All right, hit the sport button. Yeah. Is it opening? Yeah, I hear it. It's opening. Yeah, I hear it. I don't want to rev it yet. It's still cold. Yeah, that's what the sport button on, because you could hear it actuating. It looks good. Look at that. Typical Florida weather. Went through a thunderstorm while working on this thing. Go ahead, pull it out a little bit. Go slow. That thing is slow, dude. It looks good as hell. The spacers. Spacers made a big difference. Right there. All right, good. Spacers made a huge difference on this thing.
Yeah, if you would have done the spacers, it would have been like...
Yeah. Dude, it looks good. How you look at it from here? It looks good as hell.
I don't have shit. I'm already like, fuck.
And it's on stock wheels.
These wheels are not bad.
No, they're not.
Not bad wheels.
For stock wheels, they're good looking wheels.
Oh, that's sweet. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That the splitter in the wing.
Yep. It changes the car.
Spacers? Wow, that fitment's perfect.
Yeah, the spacers, guys. I did the Burger Motorsports spacers. 13 in the front, 15 in the back. And it made a nice difference. It's a temporary thing because I already ordered some wheels. But yeah. This is a, I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but this is a remark exhaust. This is the one that we did on Rob's car. Same exact exhaust. So titanium tips, I guess. That's the only thing titanium, because the rest of this bitch heavy. Oh, I got a little camper gang going a little bit in the back. It's all right, guys. We'll get that fixed. We'll get that fixed. Oh, all right. We need to take this for a job. Right?
Rev that bitch.
Go ahead. Rev it up a little bit.
Does it let you rev and park it? You gotta go.
I don't know. I think it limits you to a certain amount. Yeah. It's deep.
Yeah, really. Yeah, sounds nice.
Sounds good.
Yeah, that sounds real good.
Ooh.
Nice.
I'm happy. I'm a happy man. Hey, we worked hard. It went out. Springs are harder than the exhaust. Exhaust kind of pain in the ass.
Yeah, no, springs are easy.
Springs are easy on this car.
Just the mounts for the back.
Yeah.
I think this is like the easiest car we've ever done springs on.
Yeah. I think so too.
Mustang, Camaro, Challenger, Charger, Supra.
Yeah. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. Let's see if it dries up a little bit more and we'll go for a quick drive.
Pops. With the spacers in low. Looks pretty badass. Oh, now it's in sport. The other way. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that sounds good. You can hear the turbos with the new cold air intake too. Damn.
right, guys, there it is. Car looks awesome. This sucker is low. Howie's happy. Oh no, not that bad. It took us about 8 hours to do. We started about noontime. It's 8:30 right now, so not bad at all. So for not bad for a couple of schmucks that really don't know what the hell they're doing all the time. Yet we always figure it out. So so there it is, guys. Car looks good as hell. I'm really happy with it. It sounds good too. So hope you guys like this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about the Supra and all the new parts. H&R springs, remark exhaust, and we got some more stuff coming. I got wheels for the car, but I ain't gonna lie, I am not hating the way this thing looks right now with the stock wheels. So, but I know how I am. I can't leave stuff stock. So we'll see what we do. We'll see y'all later.